Welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer and I do models. It is giveaway time. Okay folks, here we go. It is time for a giveaway. First of all, I'd like to thank all those who've supported the channel and have gotten me as far as you guys got me. I believe I'm at 166 or 167 subscribers, and this giveaway is for the 150 mark. It's been a long time coming. I'm just trying to get everything situated on how I want to do it, but this is going to be a little unique of a giveaway where I'm going to do a hobby grab bag of stuff, and I'm going to give you an example of what's going to be in the grab bag. We have could be some micro crystal clear here. It could be some micro liquid tape, which is something I commonly use. Another product I use is this Vallejo thinner medium. Some Steven International hobby sanding sticks. There's a large variety of these flat, firmer ones, some bendable ones, and then just the thin sticks. Some of these micro applicators that I use. These are all common tools that I use that I find are very nice. Also, an assortment of Tamiya cotton swab things. It'll be an assortment of those, and they will be the Tamiya brand, not any cheap knockoff. And then also some of these God hand sanding sponges, different thicknesses of variety. But here's how it's going to work. Currently, it's a $15 model grab bag. It's $15 right now. If I get to 175 subscribers before it ends, it'll be at $17.50. If I get to 200 subscribers, it'll be a $20 model grab bag. And how it's going to work is you guys are going to vote on what goes in the grab bag each week. Each week on Friday, I'm going to put a video up, and then you guys will head over to my Patreon page where there will be a poll, and you don't have to sign up for Patreon. You just have to visit it and vote on the poll for what item you want to see in the grab bag for that week. Some items will appear again later in another giveaway, so you have a second opportunity to pick that item. But once we hit the cutoff of the amount of money, then it'll end, and then I'll pick a winner, and we will send it out to them. So this is just some basic stuff. There's going to be a lot more stuff that is going to be offered. I got a whole list of stuff I want to do for the giveaway with different prices and different things like that. So like I said, there'll be a poll on the Patreon page. So the link is in the description. You don't have to sign up to join it. You just have to stop by and vote on the poll. I'm going to make it public to everybody. But you can also visit all my links. There's all my links on social media. They'll also be in the description below. But mainly, here's how it's going to get you entries. You will, if you watch videos, like the videos, comment on the videos from today's date of 11/8/2019. If you comment, like, share those videos, you let me know you did all that in the comments below. That will get you an entry for each one of those. So you can get up to 3 entries per video. That way, if you're a subscriber, you get another entry. If you join Patreon, for every dollar you contribute, you get an extra additional entry each week. So you have an opportunity to get a lot of entries in this competition. So that's basically how it's going to work. And if it goes over 200, I'll go up to, it gets to 250, I'll do 2150. If it gets to 225, I'll do 2250. So that's basically how it's going to work. So I hope you guys like a giveaway like this. When this video's up, the poll will be up on my Patreon page. Again, the links for that are in the description. And there's going to be a whole variety of hobby grab bag stuff. We'll take a look at some of the stuff again. Could be micro applicators, Tamiya cotton swabs, Stevens International sanding products, maybe even some Flexifile sanding products. Some of these God Hand sanding sponges that are super flexible. These are great for bending photo etch in curves and things like that. Uh, Tools, tweezers. It could be anything. It could be a whole variety. It could be some photo etch kits. There's a whole list of items that I have that I'm going to put a few of them up on a poll each week. You guys vote on what you want, and someone's going to have a chance to win. But and it'll go on as long as there's money left in the pool to add more things. So if you pick a lot of cheaper items, you'll get more items and the contest will go longer. But if you pick expensive items in the beginning, it's going to end in a couple weeks, and it's not going to be a lot of items, and it's not going to be a high price. So the more subscribers, the more money, and the more lower end stuff, lower cost stuff that you put in the pool will make it last longer and get more items. Now, I'm going to have a list of the next week. I will say what the winner is and how much that took out of the pool. So if you pick, say, the cotton swabs, I'll say, hey, there's $13.75 left in the pool if we're at $15. So things like that. Some of the stuff's $1.75. It's going to be cheap. Some of the stuff's going to be $5-6. So it's going to be a range of stuff in there if you to choose from. But that's going to do it for this video. Like I said, head over to the Patreon page for the poll of what you want to have in the first item, and then next Friday I'll announce what that item is. I may even announce it early on any of my social medias. Oh, also one more thing, following me on Instagram or Twitter, or joining my Facebook group on Crazy Gamer Models, you will also get an entry. So that's an extra entry. If you like a photo on Instagram, or retweet a tweet on Twitter, that'll also get you another entry. So there's a great opportunity to get many entries in this competition. So that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. For Crazy Gamer Models, I'm the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a fantastic day.